Today I'm making homemade fresh bread rolls. The first thing you need to do is prepare the yeast. 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Mix again and cover it for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, add 3 cups of bread flour to a bowl and sift it. And add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Then use a dough hook to mix the flour. As you can see, the yeast is well developed and it's very active and alive. Pour the yeast into the flour and begin mixing slowly. Continue pouring in the yeast. As the dough begins to come together, increase the speed. As you can see, the side of the bowl is beginning to become clean. I'm testing it to see if it's too sticky, and increase the speed again. And as the dough goes around the hook, it looks like that it's ready to be taken out. Sprinkle some flour on the board or on the countertop and begin folding the dough. And then roll it. In a clean bowl, pour just a drop of olive oil and place the dough in a bowl. Cover it and wait for an hour for it to rise. After an hour, sprinkle a little bit more flour. Again, fold all sides of the dough very lightly. As you can see, the dough is quite smooth and very, very manageable, very light, and form sort of a circle, and then divide it in half. I'm making 6 pieces of rolls, so I'm cutting into 6 pieces, and then fold each piece into a long shape and place it in a baking sheet with parchment paper. Make sure the bottom part where you close it goes at the bottom. And cover it with a tea towel. Wait for about 15 minutes. You need to slice the middle with a sharp knife. And before putting the rolls in the oven, add 1 to 2 cups of boiling water. As you can see, there is steam coming through. And then place the rolls in the oven for 20 minutes until the rolls begin to turn a golden color. And when the 20 minutes are up, you take them out of the oven. They're very, very hot and they smell absolutely delicious. Have some butter ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci alla prossima volta. Ciao and enjoy the bread.